Well, here we go. I got everything assembled here. We're just gonna, this is the rotatable dipole for 80 meters. Of course, this is the bottom here. I'll fix that to the mast and so it won't touch. We don't want that touching. This is to adjust to get your SWR. So this is what it looks like. Look at the size of that coil there. Man, this thing is, these are your guidelines. Okay, that's going to attach above the mast, another set of guidelines. Okay, I think it's like whatever the 800 mean. I don't know if that means, I don't know. It's a Spanish antenna. So there you go. Pretty long, huh? Let's go on the other end. Plate gonna attach to the boom. The other coil. Look at the size of that. Compared to my hand, look at the size of that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and seal these. Just gonna be my next step. Put some tape on here. Some of these screws I didn't get to go all the way in. It's supposed to go all the way in like that. Yeah, that happens. This one is perfect. That's the way it should go. That's a perfect. Okay, I'm gonna tape all that. And the other for the guy, and all the way down there. So that's what it looks like. Got on the porch, and gonna waiting for a little help. I'm gonna tape these up, and then I'm gonna get this thing on top of the boom and go from there. So there you have it. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, now you know. All right. Okay. Victor Papa 2EIH can tell. Work in progress here. Look at this here. Okay, there you go, there you go. All right, there you have it. 88 Mike Delta Yankee 1 Sugar. 73, y'all. Victor Papa 2EIH can tell. The second phase. Assembly completed. Well, almost.